Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. VMware is a type of virtual platform that installs any operating system in it, such as Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, etc. But if you want to install Windows 11 in VMware, you have to face a lot of problems to install due to TPM 2.0 and secure boot. In this video I will show you how to solve this problem. Let's start the video. Click to create a new virtual machine. Custom. Next. Installer disk image file. Choose Windows 11 ISO file. Browse. Select ISO. Open. Next. Select virtual machine location. Next. In encryption option, type password. Next. Select UEFI. Next. Number of processes should be kept minimum 2. Next. RAM should be 4 GB. Next. 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 Select your virtual disk location. Next. Finish. Click power on virtual machine. Press enter. Select time in currency format. Next. Install now. I don't have product key. Choose your product version. Next. Reason for displaying this message. The basic criteria of Windows 11 is TPM 2.0, 4 GB RAM, secure boot showing this message. So without bypassing it, Windows 11 cannot be installed. So let's bypass it with a method. Close. Yes. Shift F10 to open command prompt. I will accurately type the command that is showing on the screen. Press enter. In the same way, type the next command and enter. In the same way, type the next command and enter. In the same way, type the next command and enter. Close command prompt. After doing this step, Windows 11 installation restrictions problem will be solved. Install now. I don't have product key. Choose your product version. Next. Tick on I accept the Microsoft software. Click on next. Custom install Windows only advanced. Select unallocated space. Click on new. Apply. OK. Next. Windows 11 installation will start. The Windows 11 installation will complete without any problem. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.